how to monetize Facebook page. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to apply monetization to your Facebook page. Alright, so let's begin. Now, if you have a Facebook page and it's growing really well, you have a bunch of followers and you want to start to monetize all of your following on that page, I'll show you how to do it. So let's open up Facebook here and tap on your profile at the top right. Here you can see all of your pages here, and we're going to switch to the specific page that you want to enable monetization on. So I'm going to hit switch now, and you can see on here I have my page here. If I wanted to turn on monetization, I'm going to tap profile at the top right and then hit on this professional dashboard. Now all I have to do is scroll down and you can see under tools is monetization. I can tap on that and it says at the very top I'm no longer or not yet eligible for monetization. I can hit on stars here and it shows you the exact criteria. It says I have 500 followers for 30 consecutive days and I have to live in an eligible country, and I can tap on eligible country here and it will show me the entire policy and every single country that is part of that. So I can go back. That's for stars. I can tap on any of these other ones. It will show all of that stuff. I can go back to subscriptions. I'm not eligible for that. So I just created this Facebook page. But basically, this is where you can check to see if you can turn on monetization on any of these different things. So go through this, see what works for you, see if you are eligible, and if so, just turn it on and you can start making money on your Facebook page. So that's basically how you can monetize Facebook page. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.